Granny.
What month is this?
Vlogmas.
Really? Okay.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Good morning, good morning. I hope everyone's doing fine this morning. This is Vlogs 8.
Today's the 9th, Vlogmas 9. Hey y'all, it's Vlogmas 9. Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas, y'all.
Hello there. Glad to see you on Vlogmas 9. All right, thank you. All right, this is Miss Lena, and I can't have a small grocery haul. Well, I'll have a large one, in effect, sort of a large one. And I've got 2 stores, Aldi's and Sam's warehouse. Okay. And I'm going to start with Aldi. Okay. I have 2 dozen eggs from Aldi. I have a cabbage. I have a condensed milk. I have an evaporated milk. And also have the cocoa chocolate. I have a ketchup. Unsalted butter, 1 pound. And I have 2 things of macaroni and cheese. I have 2 cream cheese. I have bananas, 3 or 4 bananas in there. And I have a roll of 5-pound roll of ground meat. And also I have a few tomatoes right there. And I have the the chocolate melted, what is that? What do they call it?
Milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate, okay. I have 3 of those. And I also have, what else? Is that all from all these? Okay. All right. Oh, I have a little packages. This is some that you can put the cupcakes in. They were on a little markdown share for a couple of dollars. And you can put them in the microwave. We're going to make some cupcakes to see how it works out. Okay, I think it's everything came from Aldi's. That's all I think it is. Okay, I got the 2 little things. Get that 2 little things for my village right there. 2 little people right there. And that's all from Aldi's. So I didn't get anything else from Aldi's. All right, now I'm getting ready. Sam's. That's the chicken thighs. I think that was like $6 or $7 for the pack. Okay. Then I have the 12-pound. So I think it's 12 pounds of gold medal flour. I have a thing of pizza, green meat pieces. All right. Okay. Then I have a case of string beans. I have a case of Canada Dry ginger ale. I also have a case of Dr. Pepper's. It's ragu spaghetti. I was thinking about Purdue. Okay. And I have a package of chicken nuggets. I have also a half-gallon of heavy cream, which is a good buy because the heavy cream, most time, you get 1 quart of heavy cream be $5, and you get a half a gallon. The half gallon was only 8 something, so that was a very good buy, I thought. And then we have a jar of M&M, peanut M&Ms, okay. And there's a thing of pecans, and the black beans, all right, Cairo syrup, and then I have a little package of bread, and also rotel, and then I have 2 packages of the salted butter, and I also I bought these drinks for the children. They're $7 and something, and I bought these drinks because they like them also. Theirs was $6.99 for, what is it, 24? $6.99 for 24 for the drinks. Okay, and I got the butter. Okay, you all know the butter really have gone up. I bought butter a few weeks ago, and the butter was only like $11. Now it's $14.99, so it went up about $4 in the last 2 weeks. Okay, and the pecans also came from Sam's. Okay, and all right, now she got we ordered this butter. It came from Amazon, and we have a turkey
Bam.
It came from Amazon. And we have water that came from Amazon. And we have the milk chocolate bacon chips that came from Amazon. Also, I have 2 of them. And I have, we also got whipped cream from Amazon. We got 2 24 packs of water from Amazon. And then I got one 40 pack of water from Sam's, okay? And okay, this is my, this is what I have for the day. Did we get the roast on that one? Okay. All right.
Oh, no.
I didn't think we got the roast. This roast was from Sam's also. So that was a good buy on that one because most of them were higher. And
I don't see if y'all can see the price, but it says $14.09. I don't know why the price not. What's in this Angus beef?
and we got that little ham, but I'm probably okay. Okay, so this is what we have that I have today. It's in the grocery haul that I have that I'll be using in the next few days. And that was something I already had over there. Okay, thank you so much for watching this grocery haul. And maybe something there that you all might check out, or something that you need. So I thank you all for watching, and I want you all to have a blessed day. Thank all my subscribers, all the new ones. There's been a lot of new ones coming in. Thank you guys. I appreciate you for joining my family, and we are everybody's so close that I feel like I've been knowing all of you for a long, long time, not just a few days coming in. And I appreciate those that have been such well supporters for several years for me. And then I thank you guys that are my memberships. Thank you so much from everyone. This is a wonderful holiday period. So be happy, everyone. I love you all. Have a blessed holiday, and I'll see you later on the next video. May you all be blessed.
Today's Vlogmas 9.
Oh,
it's Vlogmas 9. Today is December 9th.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm mixing my days, so thank you so much. God bless everyone. Goodbye.